Hello everybody and welcome to another video of how to make Fnaf game on scratch. So on the last video we did the doors, but let's check it first. Yeah, the buttons. Let me download the game music. Okay. Maybe press name game, we got the newspaper and the night screen, right? Yeah, the right night screen. And now what we got? And we got the office then, right? Yeah, we got the office. We can close the door. It's pretty nice. So now we will make the cameras. So I have a new sprite here. I know I actually want to do like top view, but no, I'm gonna keep this. Let's say camera button up, and then let's into the costumes. You want to get a square, make it gray, and then make a perfect square like this. Now you want to get this line and then extend it from here to there and then upwards here. That fits pretty good, but I'm gonna move this line with left. And now, yeah, we have this button, but I'm gonna extend this from here. Yeah, we have the button now. Perfect. Now, you wanna enter the code. When flag is clicked, should go to 00, and then height. Okay, show and go to front layer within the in-game. And then now add a forever in here and add if else. If touching mouse pointer, it should set the brightness to 25. Then the else it will be ghost effect to 55. So yeah, we have this button, but wait, let's do like this. Get the if touching mouse pointer, it should set the brightness to 25, and then that touching mouse pointer not get wait until put the ghost here. Why is it not working? Hold up guys. Okay, I just removed that block because I don't know how to make it, but I did that so the camera button is half transparent, as you see. So now when this sprite is clicked, you'll get a broadcast named monitor up, then height. Now let's go to new sprite and then model our monitor. Make it go 00. And now you wanna here get a gray block with no outline, and then get a black square like this. Yeah, and then you wanna grab this and then pull it downwards. Do the same thing on the computer screen. I'm gonna move it little onward. You can extend it if you want, and then create another costume, move it slightly forward, then slightly increase the monitor by like this. Then grab this and then do the same thing until the monitor is fully upwards. I want to make it a bit scaled. Extend this. Alright, I have done my animation with 5 costumes. So now, get into looks, then grab these 2, and then get repeat. Repeat to 5, and then costume to 1. So, yeah, we have this smooth animation, but I want to add 0.054 seconds. It's too much. 0.01 second. Yeah, we can see the animation. That is pretty good. Then when flag is clicked, when I make it go to dragon and a height, add a show in here, and then get monitor up. And when the animation finish, you wanna get monitor up, and then height. Now you wanna duplicate the camera button, but wait, let's test the camera button up. Wait. Oh, it's because the monitor in. Okay, oh, wait, I accidentally pressed the flag. But let's take a look if it works. Now I've pressed it. Yeah, we have a camera animation. Perfect. Now you wanna duplicate this and then monitor up. You want to change this to monitor down. But you wanna add wait 1 second so that people can't spam it. I'm gonna make a position user also. Make camera button now, and then we'll test it. Yeah, we have the camera button up here. So let's come on it down and then wait 1 second and then just copy this, but move this here and then put it here. So when monitor down shows up, boom, get the monitor down and monitor up. Let's do the monitor down animation though. So we want to copy this and then monitor down. Set the costume to 6. Let's switch costume and then get a minus. -1. The costume number. I think if I'm right, should be like that. And then I'm gonna move this. Yeah, okay, it's right. Just monitor down, monitor up, monitor down, and then monitor up. Perfect. So, now let's make the cameras for our actual game. So when I press camera up, there should be camera views. So that's why we use monitor in. You want to say cameras. Make a position 0. Or let's just first add the camera buttons. I'm gonna say cam 1 button. Get a square. Make it a white outline of 3. I think I should do it like this. Get a just circle like this. And make it turn green. The position like this. Yeah, this should be good, I think. Anyways, this is good. So when we go into code, I think I should make its size a bit small, like 45. That's a bit too much. 75. Okay, 100 is better. 100 is good. When flag is collect, we don't want to add the position, go to the thing, but we just want to add height. And then when I receive, monitor in, show. And then monitor down, height. Now, yeah, it's showing. We want to add map. So I'm just gonna duplicate this so we have this code here, but I'm gonna name this camera map. And I'm not really good at making maps, but let's do something with this. This is like a room here. And this is like, wait, that looks ugly. As I said, I'm not really good at making maps. It looks like the hospital machines that have Herbert. And then this will be us in this room. This is like the door, and here you wanna add a text U. So yeah, we have this working. It works pretty nice. But you wanna decrease the camera button size and then position it wherever you want. So I'm gonna grab it, put it like somewhere here, save it. But I will actually move it scale it down like, and put it here. Yeah, now grab it and put it here. And then now when the sprite, oh, I think it did it like simple way. Camera clicked. I'm gonna name it this. So now this sprite is clicked. Camera clicked. Forever else. Camera clicked equals 1. Switch costume 2 and if else then the 1. So when this sprite is clicked, it will make camera click to 1. So I press it, it turns green. Now let's make the camera 2 button. Position 0, 0. Now flip this downwards. So that it's here. You want to put it like this. Or whatever, wherever you want. So camera click to 2 this time. So now when we test it, when I press this, this will turn to, yeah, as you see here. I don't need to explain it. Yeah, they're working. Yeah, the door. Got the 2 cameras. I'm gonna do the third camera now. Camera 3 button. You wanna get this and put it like here. Camera click to 3 this time. Yeah. We can easily make it like this. And this time this will face upwards. Okay. Now we got the third camera. I'm gonna add the fourth camera here. And then the camera views. You duplicate this. And then use camera 4 button. And then this time this will face here. Now we have the camera buttons. Awesome. And they are working as well. Now let's add the camera views. Camera views. Set its position to 0, 0 again. But we will want to get to the monitor. And then here, monitor. Set the monitor to up. And then here, monitor to down. So now we get in here and we set the monitor down, monitor to up. You wanna get this, and when flag is click, you wanna just set the monitor down. That's all. So camera views. Let's make some basic cameras. This will be the first camera, which is stage. I'm gonna position it perfectly like this. If you make it go backwards, it will look kind of weird. So I got my first camera. I'm gonna add brown, like stage thing. I don't know what they call it. Position it perfectly here. Kinda reload. Okay, we got it now. So I'm gonna say this camera one and duplicate this. And I think this will be hallway. Let me look. Yeah, this will be hallway. The camera 2 will be hallway. Let's make it hallway. I'm gonna grab the color here. Yeah, okay. I think this will be a good hallway. And here I will add black. Okay. Now I wanna add a black screen. I have a back layer of this monitor screen. Monitor in black. So position to 0. Get a black. And make it 100 opposite. And then make it go backward. Yeah, we got that. Okay. Now when flag is clicked, get a 0. Then monitor in. Okay, so I had to stop the video a bit because that was too much sound, but as you see, I've finished my cameras. You can see from here. So I think this will be the end of this video, but yeah, I think it will be the end of this video. I actually want to, like, the map, I want to add like a black background so that it doesn't look weird. Okay, so yeah, see you on the next video and bye.